guys, it's Brianne. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and to hit that notification bell. I post videos every Tuesday, so make sure to check out my social media for all new updates. All my links and partnerships are in the description below. So these are Goli Gummies. It's an easy way of incorporating apple cider vinegar into your everyday lives. You can take from 2 to 4 vitamins a day. So if you would like to try them out, the link is in the description below. So, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing something a little different. For you guys today, I'm going to be unboxing a Nintendo Switch Lite. I'm super excited. Let's unbox my new Nintendo Switch. There we go. So, in this box is my new Switch Lite in gray. I am super excited because it just got delivered today in the mail. And I wanted to film this video. So let's unbox. So I've got my knife right over here. So let's unbox. So here it is. So there are a few instructions on the inside on how to get started, so let me show this to you. Here we go. So here's the new Switch Lite. Let's open it up. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was. It feels really light. So just gonna check to see what else is in the box. So there's more information on the update and warranty. And we also have the charging cable. So just going to put everything else away so that we can plug it in and start setting it up. Here. Just going to get the cable, undo this a little bit. Go. So now that the update is complete, I'm going to download some online games. I did buy Animal Crossings and some other accessories, but sadly they have not arrived in the mail yet. So I have started playing one of the online free games called Super Kirby Clash. It's a lot of fun and I definitely do recommend it, especially if you haven't bought any of the games yet. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more similar content, make sure to like, subscribe, and to comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.